Hey guys, this is Teach Me TV. Back with another video for you. We hope all is well with you and yours. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video with a friend. So if you're ready and excited about that, hit the like button now. Let's go. Now let us discuss the point of difference between having a regular job and shifting over to online money. With a steady job, you are working for someone else for about 40 to 50 hours a week. Whereas if you start with a home-based affiliate program online, you get paid not only for your efforts, working few hours a day, but also for the efforts done by you downline. The best part is as long as they keep selling, you make money in addition to that. Here are ways to earn more. 10 free ways to earn more money in 2022. 1. Develop your writing skills and get paid to write articles, press releases, or blog posts. 2. Join job-providing sites with affiliate programs and help your friends, family, and others find new jobs. 3. Be an online coach of a subject that you like and start charging your services. 4. Sell other people's products, as well as services on the internet to get a commission. 5. Allow others to publish your articles on their site embedded with affiliate links having your IDs. 6. Write reviews of demandable products and publish it on your blog. 7. Add Google AdSense code having ads to your website. Every time visitors click on the links in the ad, you get paid in cents. Website owners having constant traffic to their sites make thousands using this method. 8. Charge for placing banner ads on your website. Many will be interested in putting their banners on your website to get traffic. 9. Enter into a contest to win a prize. 10. Give free advice by becoming an expert in a particular niche and selling ClickBank products connected to that niche. The best opportunity can help you remain in complete control of yourself, give you earning freedom and time to enjoy life with your family. To achieve this, instead of taking orders from your boss by going to his office every day, start with an opportunity that will help you to earn money online without investment. Then, of course, you can think of investing some amount later on to get more benefits and increase your earning potential. These are just a few tricks that I have used to make money. It's up to you if you are willing to put in the time to reach your dreams. Here are some more resources for you all to take advantage of. It will give you a little more background on what you can do to start the new year the right way. Use the links in the description to find more information.